Welcome to 264 37th Street. This home is located in central San Diego. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Entering the home, you enter into the living room with beautiful hardwood floors, new paint throughout. Large windows for lots of natural light. We make our way into the kitchen, and immediately to our right we have a pantry area. Beautiful kitchen with lots of cabinet space and counter space with a gas range. Right outside the kitchen, we have access to the long driveway with a locked fence. And right back here, we have a garage which is shared with your neighbor to the back for laundry. We have your washer here and your dryer. Again, this is a shared space with your neighbor to the back. We will head back into the home. And right off of the living room, we have your first bedroom. Again, a lot of natural light, hardwood floors throughout. This room is large enough to comfortably fit a king-size bed. As we head down the hall, the first thing you see is your bathroom. And just past your first bathroom, you have your second room. This room is large enough to fit a queen-size bed comfortably, possibly a king. And we'll continue down the hall. We have extra storage space here, right outside the master suite. The master suite also has a door that leads back to the front yard. And then we have your master bathroom.